Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Discord servers, saving you significant time and effort when starting a new community. This powerful feature lets you replicate your existing channel structure, roles, and permissions, allowing you to instantly deploy a familiar environment. You can then quickly tailor the new server to its specific purpose, building upon a solid foundation without starting from scratch. It's an efficient way to expand your presence or create test environments. To begin, click on your server name in the top left corner, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand sidebar, you will see an option labeled Server Template. Click on this to access the creation interface. Here, Discord will generate a blueprint of your server's structure. It copies all your text and voice channels, categories, role configurations, and permission settings. Importantly, templates do not include any server members, messages, or custom emojis. Within the Server Template section, you will be prompted to give your template a name and, optionally, a brief description of its purpose. After inputting these details, click the prominent Generate Template button. Discord will then produce a unique invitation link specifically for this template. You can easily copy this link to your clipboard by clicking the Copy button next to it. Be mindful when sharing. Anyone with the link can create a server based on your template. To create a new server from your template, simply paste the copied link into your web browser or directly into the Discord application. A prompt will appear, allowing you to choose a new name for your server and select its preferred server region. Once you confirm these details, click Create. The new server will instantly appear in your server list, fully equipped with all the channels, roles, and permission settings defined in your template, ready for your community to join. After your server is created, remember to invite your members and integrate any bots your community relies on. If you make substantial changes to your original server's structure, like adding new channels or roles, be sure to update your template by clicking the Save Template button in the template settings. This ensures future duplications reflect your latest design. Server templates offer a quick, reliable way to roll out new community spaces or test different layouts efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.